Beautiful and spacious home on hole 3 of the golf course. You'll love the great room with beams on the vaulted ceiling, fireplace, and view of the pool. Master suite downstairs and 2 bedrooms and a bath upstairs. Open kitchen has plenty of storage and a breakfast area. Laundry room and butler's pantry off the kitchen. Large den off the attached oversized garage could be a game room or even an extra bedroom. Finished shop offers even more space for your hobbies or storage needs. 2.5 beautiful acres.